Saw it first here on Fox 61, photos from in and around the Dulos estate. And today his attorneys are saying that the realtor who provided those photos violated his duty to the court. In a new court filing, the actions of a court-appointed receiver for Fotis Dulos' Fore Jefferson Crossing home in Farmington are being called, quote, a heartless, disrespectful, and paramount insensitive affront to the defendant Fotis Dulos' grieving family. Dulos attorneys want Rob Giuffria, the man who gave Fox 61 photos from in and around the Farmington home, out as conservator, as the Dulos and Fore estates continue to battle for control. The new filing claims that by releasing the photos, Giuffria essentially compromised the security of the home that he has a court duty to protect.
Being appointed conservator, we're just interested in the safekeeping of the house.
Giuffria snapped the photos Saturday when he was escorted by Farmington police. He told Fox 61 Anna Curry answered the door.
She seemed like she was obviously emotional, and she's very nice, very cordial. I shook her hand, I introduced myself.
Curry and Dulos family members are staying in the home, but the conservator wants them out by Friday. Dulos attorneys argue Giuffria is using his position, quote, for his own personal gain, to self-promote himself and his realty business, to gain personal and professional notoriety in the press in furtherance of his own self-interests. There's nothing that you stand to gain from being in this role.
Absolutely zero.
But Dulos civil attorney William Murray says Giuffria demonstrated his inability to be impartial when he testified against Fotis in court.
In my opinion, his testimony was not truthful, and in my opinion, he was adverse to Mr. Dulos in those particular cases. I think a receivership should be conducted by a party that is impartial.
Now, we did just get word from attorneys for the Fore estate that they filed a motion with the court in response, saying that they have instructed Mr. Giuffria not to have any more contact with the media. They ask that if the court does want to replace Mr. Giuffria, that they have ample time to find somebody new. And in that motion, they also reiterate their opposition to Stephen Reich, who the Dulos estate wants appointed as the conservator. Reporting live in Farmington, Matt Karen, Fox 61 News.